لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك.
Planning for Hajj 2026-1447? Here's your easy guide to registering on the Nusuk system, step by step, made for South Africans. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm from Al-Anwar Hajj and Umrah SA. The Nusuk Hajj platform is officially open for Hajj 2026 registrations. Alhamdulillah, our team is assisting Hujjāj with this process absolutely free of charge. If you need help, just WhatsApp or call us on 074 442 4455. We'll guide you through it. No fees, no hidden costs. Before you even start, make sure you've got these ready. In South Africa, passports often take months to renew, so check your expiry date now. You'll also need a clear digital photo, your email, and most importantly, don't use your phone. The app and mobile site give endless errors. Stick to a laptop or a desktop. To begin, go to hajj.nusuk.sa and click on the Start Registration button. On this first page, you will need to select your country of residence. For South African Hujjāj, this will be South Africa. Remember to also select the checkbox acknowledging your selected country. You will also need to enter your email address on this page. Please make sure to accurately spell your email address, as you will need to send a one-time password to this email every time you attempt to log into your Nusuk Hajj account. After completing the acknowledgements and security verification, you'll be able to move on to the next page. You will now need to enter a 6-digit OTP verification code, which will be sent to the email address that you have provided on the previous page. Please note that this will be required each time you log into your Nusuk Hajj account. Now, you will be able to finish creating your account by choosing a password. Make sure to enter a password that matches Nusuk's requirements, which are listed below. The requirements will change color from red to green as you fulfill them. Your Nusuk account has now been created. You'll need to log in again using the email address and the password that you just created. Be sure to grab the latest OTP that was sent to your email. The first step, once you log in, is to upload your passport and a picture of yourself. This step is the one that causes the most confusion, so please be sure to carefully follow the instructions provided. Feel free to pause the video as long as you need so that you can follow along. The first thing you have to make sure is that your images are uploaded as a PNG or JPEG format. Other file formats such as PDF or DOC will not be accepted. In addition, the images must adhere to the particular size requirements indicated on the screen. Finally, for the passport, you should only include the page that has your image and personal information. The personal picture should have a white background. If you have a non-South African passport, you will need to upload a third document as proof of residence. Now, fill in all your personal details in the boxes provided. Carefully type your passport number, issuing country South Africa and the dates. Triple check spelling, even one digit wrong can block your Hajj package later. Now you will be brought to the actual application form. Everything with a red asterisk or star must be completed. Other entries are optional. The final step is to enter your international travel history for the past 6 months. Once you've entered all of your recent trips, if you have any, you will be able to continue on to the next page of the application. In this section of the application, you'll need to answer some background questions about yourself. Please answer the questions accurately as they apply to you. After this, you will be able to move on to the next page, a health questionnaire. You must answer the required questions to the best of your ability. Please select any accessibility requirements, health conditions, or allergies you may have before moving on to the summary page. On the summary page, you will be able to review all your entries to double check for any errors. If you have no family members, you can simply check the acknowledgement boxes and submit your application. At the bottom of the web page, you have the option to add your additional family members. Please note, if you have family members who intend to perform Hajj with you in 2026, you should add them to your account using this button. Once you are ready, check the boxes for various application acknowledgements. You'll now be able to submit your application by clicking on the green Confirm Application button in the bottom right corner. Mabruk, your application has now been successfully submitted. You should have received an email confirming this. We hope this tutorial was beneficial to you. May Allah accept your intention for Hajj and make your journey easier. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Have a blessed day.
لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك